Have you ever stopped and thought about what really happens to your money after you put it in the bank? Most people assume it just sits there, safe, waiting for them to use it. But that's not actually what's happening. The moment your money enters a bank, it starts working, just not for you. Banks take your deposits and use them to generate profit through loans, credit cards, and other financial products. While your savings grow slowly, if at all, your money is actively helping the bank earn far more behind the scenes. And the difference is huge. You might be earning almost nothing on your savings, while the same money is being used to generate significant returns elsewhere. Not because something illegal is happening, but because that's how the system is designed. The problem is, most people never question it. We're taught to believe that keeping money in a traditional bank account is the safest and smartest option. And yes, it is safe, but safe doesn't always mean effective. Over time, inflation quietly reduces the value of your money. So even if your balance stays the same, your purchasing power slowly decreases. That means doing nothing is not neutral. It actually moves you backward. Once you understand this, your perspective starts to shift. Instead of asking where your money is stored, you begin asking how your money is working. Because where you keep your money determines who benefits from it. The goal isn't to take unnecessary risks. It's to make smarter decisions with what you already have. Even small changes can make a noticeable difference over time. And the earlier you start, the more powerful that difference becomes. This isn't about chasing quick results. It's about understanding how the system works and choosing to be on the better side of it. Because you worked hard for your money, and it should be working hard for you too. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.